Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hello, bro. It's Wendy.
I'm
Hello, Sister Leah.
today.
Pretty great today. Wow, darn, sounds great anyway. Wow, nice. Hello, Sister. Welcome back to our class again. Wow, Blaze Wendy, you said you were good today, Blaze Wendy.
Yeah,
Wow, well done. And anyway, Blaze Wendy, how is the weather? Is it rainy?
raining, not raining.
It's not rainy
Yeah,
actually. It's sunny like
sunny,
yesterday.
sunny.
It's a sunny.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you feel
but
hot,
the
bro?
early morning, just early morning rainings.
Oh, it's
Uh,
raining early morning.
yes,
Oh, I see, I see. Wow.
until
7?
9 o'clock.
9
9 o'clock.
o'clock. Okay,
Yes,
that was
but
raining
from
this.
the 1 1 1 1 a.m.
Mhm.
until 9 o'clock.
Oh, that's correct. Okay, 1 a.m. until 9 o'clock.
Yes,
Wow.
Batam side.
That's correct. Okay. Thank you so much for it, Wendy.
Yes,
Well, hello, Sister Leah. How do you do?
Hello, I'm fine.
You're fine today? Wow, great. Where are
Alhamdulillah.
you now? Are you at home right now?
Yeah, I'm at
Yeah,
home.
that's great. So how is the weather? It's
The weather
raining?
is sometime rainy, sometime sunny, and sometime cloudy.
Oh, sure. What about right now, recently?
Right now it's sunny.
It's sunny.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice day though. Well, great. Thank you so much, Sister Leah. Well,
Welcome.
sis Nia, sis Aima, welcome back to the class, everyone. Okay, so we're going to start the class while waiting others. Good evening. Welcome back to the class, everyone, with Speaking Partner!
We
Yeah.
Not the best partner!
partner.
Okay, what's password?
Smile.
Thank you so much, everyone. Really, really great, guys. So, guys, what day is today, everyone? Today
Today
is
is
Thursday.
Thursday.
It's a Thursday. You're right. So it means tomorrow will be the last day of our class, guys. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Yeah, time
Next
flies so
class,
fast.
bro. Next class.
Yeah, we still have next class. Come on, guys. That should be intermediate too. We will learn a lot of topic, especially kalau di sini kan reading teman-temannya, ya kan teman-teman? Reading, speaking, and in intermediate two, we have listening. We will have listening twice in a week. Seminggu 2 kali, guys. Oke. Entah fill the blank ataupun bentuknya kontesnya kayak multiple choice. Ya. And also speaking. Kalau speaking setiap hari, teman-teman. We learn about the grammar as well. Kita belajar grammar juga, teman-teman. Okay? So, sometimes we have a reading, but just simple reading. Okay, got it, everyone. So, come on, everyone. Level up your English, and you can just use it in intermediate two. I will tell you as a decent topic. Maybe it's about intonation in a sentence. So you can have good intonation when you speak English, and it's a good, everyone. Come on, level up your English. You can just write teacher to kelas kita yang menghandle siapa ya? Sis Lala, Sis Lala, teman.
Lala,
Iya, Sis Lala. Karena setiap kelas beda-beda, teman-teman ya. Oke, so you can just write to Sis Lala supaya segera dimasukkan di grup kelas. Kalau udah terlanjur sama sis yang lainnya gimana, Prof? Nggak apa-apa. Oke, tapi nanti teman-teman konfirmasi ya. Mau lanjut ke Bro Vicky jam segini, level ini gitu, teman-teman. Oke, supaya segera dimasukkan di grup barunya. Alright, guys, that's free information. Well, today we have the last topic for today, guys, everyone.
Wow.
It's because tomorrow we
yeah.
have a final exam, Sis Manzo. Ya kan,
Yeah.
besok kita ujian. Asik. Okay.
Nervous, bro.
Don't be nervous. Take it easy. Calm down. Okay. Well, okay, yeah, the topic maybe I will tell you later in the end of our class. Well, it seems like I told you yesterday. Today we have a listening. Kita ada listeningnya hari ini, guys. Okay, so guys, we have listening first. Kita listening dulu, teman-teman ya. Okay.
Okay.
And the topic for the listening is about. Hang on a minute, guys. Look at this one. The topic today. This is new gym. Oh, Anyone likes
Ichi.
anyone likes going to the gym?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
Geography.
Are you sure?
I am.
Manjo like.
Manzo,
Sis
manzo.
Manzo, you like it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, his
Well,
body become
Because
bigger.
my body is fat, Rafik.
oh yeah.
Become
So
bigger.
that's all right. It's going to the gym. It's
I
nice.
know.
Okay. So you just have like a treadmill. Is that right, Mr. Manzo?
Yeah?
You just do the treadmill?
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, that's a good.
Treadmill. Mm-mm.
So you are on diet right now.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, great. New gym. You know, guys, when I have a friend, it's a girl, and when I go, so, Freak, where are you now? I'm at the gym. What for? And she said, girl, woman, not girl, woman will choose 6 cars that are over 6 pack.
Oh.
She said that one. Yeah. Woman will
Mm.
choose 6 cars
Car.
over
Oh,
over 6
six
pack.
pack.
So
Okay.
stop going to the gym. Okay, and go to work. Go to work. Okay. Ya, guys. Katanya dia, perempuan
Yeah.
itu lebih milih 6 cars, 6 mobil daripada 6 pack. So stop going to the gym. Go to work. Go to work. Oh my God. Isn't nice. So what about you guys? New gym. Okay. Yeah. So it has 2 people, Rebecca and Todd. Rebecca talks with Todd about the new gym and all it has to offer new members. So just talk about the gym actually. So we have like 6. It's not 5. We have a 6, guys. The gym opened blah 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 ago. He talks about getting. He says you can take blah 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 classes. You can play. How much is 2-year membership? Berapa harganya, guys? And what can you do in the social center? Oh, okay, we have a 6 question and are you ready, everyone? Siap teman-teman ya? Vicky, matikan dulu mikrofonnya. Okay, and let's go. Listening time. So, good luck, guys.
Hey Diego, I'm looking for a gym to join. I hear you've joined a gym. How is it?
It's really good. I really like it. The name of the gym is Total Gym, and it has everything I really need. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so what does it have?
Well, it has a weight room, and you can do free weights there. It also has a pool, because I like swimming,
Okay, yeah.
and it's very good for you too. And it has a sauna, and there's some random classes over there too.
So what about a relaxation room? I always like to get a massage after I've done the gym.
I'm not really sure, but I think they might have one because they do yoga there. So.
Okay, alright, so I'll check that one out. And you said they had classes. What type?
Well, as I mentioned, they have yoga, and I've took yoga like 3 or 4 times. The instructor is really, really good.
Yep.
And they have kickboxing because my friend's doing that, and he said it's really intense.
What about spin classes? I do like to ride on the bike.
I've seen some bikes around, so I'm pretty sure they have it. too.
Okay. And how much does it all cost?
It costs, well, I'm paying a monthly fee, so it's like $40 a month.
Mhm.
But I think you can get a discount if you pay with your credit card.
Okay.
Yeah.
So otherwise you just pay with a credit card, or can you pay cash?
You can pay cash every month. That's what I'm doing. And if I introduce you to the gym, we get free coupons for coffee.
Ah, lovely.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. All right. I'll come and have a look. When are you going next?
I'm going actually at 5 p.m. today.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Okay, perfect.
Great.
Make sure you bring a bath towel and your sports shoes, your indoor shoes.
Okay,
Okay.
I shall do.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, great. Have you got the answer? Udah dapat jawabannya, guys? I think so. Okay. Well, guys, thank you, work, and here we go. Number 1, the gym opened. Blah blah blah. Go. Apa, guys? What's the answer? Anyone?
Words.
A.
A.
4
4
days.
days ago. Okay. Number 2.
About
He
it.
talks about getting. He, yeah.
A.
B. B-A. Okay. A personal trainer and workout partner. Okay.
Yoga.
Okay. A personal trainer and workout partner. Number 3. He says you can take
D.
Yoga.
Yoga.
D.
yoga.
Yoga.
B.
Yeah.
Dance.
D.
Or D.
Oh, D.
Okay. You can play. What's that case? Did you get the answer?
Itu
What?
bingung bro, kecepatan.
Oh yeah.
Tak dengar, tak jelas.
A.
You can
A.
play
Soccer.
tennis, volleyball, basketball.
Okay. Number 5. How much is 2-year membership? 2 years. A.
$50.
Okay. $50.
$50.
What can you do in social center?
Have
A.
Have cafe.
Have a
A, yeah.
coffee. Oh wow. Guys, check your work, and here we go.
Huh?
Wow.
You know, guys, it has a lot of answer. The first is 4 weeks, not 4 days, guys. 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He talk about, guys, certified. Ya, certified. Dia talk about getting certified ya guys ya, kayak dia kan mau jadi ini guys, apa personal trainer. Jadi dia itu
PT,
butuh
wajib.
certified. Butuh sertifikatnya lah biar
Sertifikasi.
diakui, sertifikasi, certified dulu biar orang sana mau nih. Okay. And then he says you can take yoga, dance, spin. Tadi kan sebutkan semua guys. Ya,
Iya,
spin, dance, yoga, but not ballet. Jadi semuanya boleh ya guys ya,
Benar.
semuanya.
Oh.
Yeah, you can play tennis, volleyball, basketball. Yeah, they said that one, guys. Not soccer. Okay, karena besar teman-teman di sana. Okay, kalau soccer kan lapangan besar ya. Kalau ada tenis, volleyball, basketball, it's just the same field. And then is how much is 2-year membership? Is $18. Tadi kan bilangnya kan ini guys, apa itu 50 guys, you know, $50 in a month. Ini 2 years guys, 2
Iya, 2
years.
tahun ya.
Jadi dikaliin aja guys.
Iya.
Oh iya, that's right.
Elah.
Okay, 2 years. Ya tadi kan bilangnya per bulannya. Kalau ini 2 years dikaliin aja.
Iya.
Okay, what can you do in the social centers? Ya, hang out boleh. Okay, have a coffee juga boleh. Okay. Wow, what do you think? Is it hard? Is it too fast?
Yes.
Okay,
All of
that's
those.
right. Okay, so anyone gets all right?
Strike. Just
All
the
right.
number. Strike.
That's your number. That's all right. We have 6 questions here. Well, that's guys. This is our listening, everyone. Yeah. So it's a nice. Okay, guys, we have done it and go on. And today we have a new topic. What's the topic for today? Apakah hari ini topiknya?
Mindfulness.
Mindfulness. You guys, have you ever heard about mindfulness before? Pernah dengar nggak guys? Mindfulness. Pernah?
Pernah.
Yeah, it is, you know, it is the common things, especially after COVID-19. It's like, it's like a vital one. It's mindfulness. Yeah, mindfulness. So what is actually mindfulness? Well, today we have this. We don't have vocabularies. We just have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 text cases about mindfulness. Well, let's go. Let's figure it out. Here we go. This is the lesson and explanation about mindfulness. Come on, guys. If you want to read, just raise your hand and let's go. It's a mindfulness. So, anyone wants to read the first? Siapa yang membaca nih, guys? Mindfulness. Cisalia dulu. Raise hand. Come on, Cisalia. Have you ever?
Okay, thank you, Bro Pig.
Okay.
Have you ever driven somewhere and realized when you arrived that you couldn't really remember anything about the journey? Or have you ever eaten a whole packet of biscuit when you were planning to only have one? Or have you stayed up much later than you planned, or even all night watching just one more episode of a TV series. All of these are examples of mindlessness. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our lives.
Wow, great job. Thank you so much. So great. Oh ya guys, artinya belum kirim di chat obrolannya. Hold on guys. Okay. So here we go. Bentar guys, mana nih grupnya? Oh, ini dia. Look at this everyone. Have you ever driven somewhere and realized guys? Oh bentar, belum kok nggak kelihatan nih. Have you ever driven somewhere when you arrived? Maksudnya arrived essentially ya? Arrived. That you couldn't really remember anything about your journey. Teman-teman, pernah nggak nih guys, kalian itu berkendara nih, lagi nyopir mungkin kemana gitu, dan teman-teman sadar ketika kalian itu udah nyampe di tempat kalian, tujuan kalian, dan teman-teman itu tidak sama sekali ingat guys di perjalanan tadi, Kak, tadi lewatin mana aja, ada apa aja sekitar kita. Pernah kan teman-teman? It's because we just focus on it. Yeah, this one. Or maybe, have you ever eaten a whole packet of biscuits? Biscuits. Jadi U-nya nggak dibaca ya. Biscuits. When you were planning to only have one. Pernah nggak nih guys? Teman-teman tuh makan ya guys ya. Jadi semua satu wadah gitu guys ya. Ya, satu pack biscuit. Yang sebenarnya teman-teman itu hanya ingin makan satu aja. Nah nggak nih?
Lupa. Tiba-tiba habis ya, bro.
Iya, yes. Or have you stayed up much later than you planned? Or even all night watching just one more episode of TV series? Nonton drakor nih. Udah,
Selalu itu,
nanti
bro.
ya. Nonton drakor nih, episode ke-1 aja deh. Sampai pagi. Ya kan? Oke. All of these are example of mindlessness. Semuanya ini contoh-contoh mindlessness. Kebalikannya mindfulness.
Oh, iya, benar.
When we live this way, we're not fully awake and not fully living our lives. Ketika kita hidup seperti ini, teman-teman ya, oke, ya itu kita nggak sepenuhnya terjaga dan tidak sepenuhnya menjalani hidup kita. So this is everyone. Wow. So what is actually mindfulness? So here we go. This is what exactly is mindfulness? Guys, this is Aima. Please read that. That's cool.
What exactly is mindfulness? When we are mindful, we are more conscious of our thoughts, our action, and what is happening around us. We might notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what a friend is saying rather than planning what we are going to say next. We are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says mindfulness is paying attention or purpose in the present moment and without judging. So we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings. We are just noticing them.
Wow, thank you so much, Sis Aima. Well, guys, what exactly? Pesannya exactly gitu, Sis Aima. Exactly.
Oh yeah.
Iya.
Exactly.
What exactly is
Exactly.
mindfulness? Apa sih sebenarnya mindfulness itu? When we are mindful, kalau kita lagi benar-benar lagi sadar penuh gitu guys ya. Oke. Nah, we're more conscious of our thoughts. Pasti kita sadar akan pikiran kita. Our action, sadar akan aksi kita, tindakan kita. And what's happening around us. Juga kita sadar ya guys ya, apapun yang terjadi di sekitar kita. Kalau kita itu mindful, lagi benar-benar mindful gitu guys ya. We might not just a beautiful sunset or really listen to carefully to what a friend is saying, rather than planning what we're going to see next. Kita bakal ini guys, kita mungkin teman-teman kayak memperhatikan matahari terbenam atau kita dengerin nih guys ya, dengerin bener-bener dengerin dengan sesama teman kita yang lagi ngomong gitu guys ya, daripada kita fokus dengerin nih, daripada kita menjawab nanti jawab apa gitu guys ya, karena kita fokus apa yang mereka katakan aja gitu guys, karena gitu care sama lingkungan sama sekitar kita gitu. We are also more aware for our own feelings ya guys ya, aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. Kita lebih aware saat care banget gitu guys ya, atas perasaan kita bahkan pikiran kita. Nah, di sini ada pelopor mindfulness. The name is John Kabat-Zinn. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is paying attention. It's a paying attention on purpose in the present moment without judging. Gitu guys. Jadi menurut Kabat-Zinn ini guys ya, John Kabat-Zinn, mindfulness paying attention. What is it guys? Jadi kita itu memperhatikan penuh. Memperhatikan sangat-sangat memperhatikan. Paying attention on purpose. Dengan sadar benar-benar teman-temannya. In the present moment, di momen saat ini, without judging, tanpa menghakimi. Jadi, konteksnya itu fokus apa yang ada di kita saat ini. Tidak terlalu ngejat mikirin masa lalu. Tidak terlalu mikirin masa depan. Itu namanya mindfulness, teman-teman. Just thinking about this time, in the present moment, without judging. Sekarang ini semisal lagi buruk-buruknya nih, ya guys ya. Lagi jelek-jeleknya gitu hari-hari ini. Ya, kita nggak ngejat. Kita nggak kayak bilang gini, aduh kenapa nih ini kayak gini. No. Oke, without judging. Kalau bahagia, ya tanpa memamerkan yang berlebihan, without judging, teman-teman. Itu adalah mindfulness. Why? You know, so we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning in the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings. We are just noticing them. Ya, kita itu nggak khawatir, guys. Kita nggak mengkhawatirkan tentang masa lalu atau masa depan nanti, karena dia hidup di present gitu ya, hidup di saat ini gitu. Oke, so this one dia hanya mengontrol aja. Oh, masa lalu kayak gini. Oh, masa depan nanti seperti itu. Dikontrol aja, di noticing aja teman-teman. Tidak terlalu memikirkan terlalu ya. Makanya biasanya orang stres gitu ya. Everyone, you get overthinking every single day. Biasanya habis ini kan kita overthinking nih. Habis kelas, ya kan?
Iya.
Tidur soalnya. Nah, karena kita mikirin nanti gimana, besok gimana, akan datang gimana, atau masa lalu juga dipikirin, teman-teman. So, mindfulness try to reduce that one. Mindfulness itu ingin mengurangi seperti itu, guys. Makanya dia hanya fokus saat ini aja. Apa yang ada di saat ini, give the best, gimana pun hasilnya, teman-teman, ya diterimanya, jadi without judging. Itu namanya mindfulness. Makanya ini sangat populer banget, teman-teman, untuk mengurangi stres. Oke,
Let it flow aja ya bro ya.
let it flow. Iya, let it flow. That's a good one, sis. Oke, lanjut nih guys. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Ini alasannya kenapa mindfulness itu sangat populer. Miss Lydia, let's go.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Okay.
Why is mindfulness so popular now? For most people, life is getting busier and busier.
Busier and busier.
Busier and busier. Technology means that we always have something to do, and there isn't much opportunity to just be. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time, texting while watching TV, or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. People are working longer hours and bringing work home. All this can make you
Make
can make
us.
us stress, and mindfulness can be a way of reducing this stress.
Oh, great job, Saidia. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, it's the reason why is mindfulness so popular now for most people. Guys ya, life is getting busy. Busy itu adalah sibuk. Kalau lebih sibuk ya, busier, busier and busier. Ya, itu guys ya. Kebanyakan orang ya, banyak orang itu hidup semakin sibuk dan sibuk gitu kan teman-teman ya. Technology means that we always have something to do. And there isn't much opportunity to just be. Guys ya. Dengan adanya teknologi membuat kita sebagai manusia selalu punya sesuatu untuk dilakuin gitu guys ya. Tidak hanya sekedar punya kesempatan terus dah gitu aja. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time. Banyak nih orang itu melakukan 1, 2, bahkan 3 aktivitas dalam satu waktu. Masak, sambil nelpon, sambil nulis, ya guys ya. Yeah, it's the common one. Okay. And then it's the example. Texting while watching TV. Kita nonton TV sambil main HP gitu guys. Texting. Even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. Kita itu liatin nih HP sambil jalan nih di trotoar. People are working longer hours and bring work at home. Look at that one. Sekarang orang-orang itu kerjanya udah lama. Pulang ke rumah masih dibawa juga pekerjaannya ke rumah. Oke. All this can make us stressed. Itu semua bisa membuat kita stres, guys. So, mindfulness can be a way of reducing the stress. Makanya mindfulness itu cara ya guys ya untuk mengurangi stres guys. Makanya orang itu suka banget cara seperti ini. This mindfulness. Alright everyone. Lanjut nih guys. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Ini terus saya tadi teman-teman sebenarnya. Bro Jijis, let's go.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Prof. Dave.
Alright.
What are the benefits of mindfulness? Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress and depression. It can help you to concentrate, have a better memory, and to think more clearly. It can also help people to manage pain better and improve their sleep. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat that whole packet of biscuits without thinking.
Thank you so much, bro.
You're
Guys, ini agak beda ya sama di modul kalian, teman-teman.
Oh,
Iya.
beda ya?
Oke. Sebenarnya yang lengkap emang di modul kita, guys. Oke, di modul kalian itu. Ini sepotong aja nih. Oke. Mas is okay. Langsung aja poinnya teman-teman ya. Gak apa-apa, Bro Jis. Bener kok. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress and depression. Ini ada penelitian teman-teman. Ya guys ya, bahwa mindfulness itu bisa mengurangi stres, bahkan depresi. Stres yang lama ya. It can help you to concentrate, bisa membantu kita lebih berkonsentrasi. Have a better memory and to think more clearly. Ya guys ya. Ya, untuk bisa supaya kita memiliki ingatan lebih baik dan juga lebih berpikir jernih. It can also help people to manage pain better and to improve the sleep. Bisa membantu orang itu untuk memanage sakitnya gitu guys ya, biar lebih baik lagi. Dan juga meningkatkan kualitas tidurnya. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat the whole packet of biscuit without thinking. Bisa membantu kita itu menghilangkan berat badan karena kenapa? Tadi kan kita kalau makan satu saja nih. Karena kita nggak fokus, akhirnya tiba-tiba, loh, kok satu toples habis gitu. Oke, so that's why di sini kita fokus nih satu-satu aja gitu guys. Jadi tidak berat ya guys, tidak tambah gemuk kita. Oke, so this is mindfulness. Why mindfulness is so popular now, teman-teman? Well, how to become more mindful? Gimana nih? Ini ada cara-cara banyak nih guys ya. Metode atau caranya mindfulness itu kayak gimana? Well, in this part ada baca ini guys. Sudah semua nih. Maybe I wanna go with what about because ada sis Sophia. Yuk.
Okay.
Yeah, please read that, Sophia. The last text.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Okay.
How to become more mindful? Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12th September. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any day of the year. A very simple technique that you could try right now is to close your eyes for a couple of minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. This will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food, typically a raisin, instead of eating it without thinking. Slow down, look carefully at it and notice how it feels in your fingers. Smell it, then put it on your tongue and taste it. Only then start to eat slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Both of these techniques force you to slow down and focus on the present moment, and there are plenty of other ideas you can find only if you want to try mindfulness of yourself. That's all.
Wow, so great. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sis. You are so
You're
good. Wow,
welcome.
look at this, everyone. How to become more mindful? Mindfulness Day is celebrated. Remember, that's teman-teman. Kalau ada ed, sebelum ed itu ada t atau d dibaca, it
Celebrated.
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 Yeah. Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12th September. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any day of the year. Memang hari mindfulness itu dirayakan tanggal 12 September, teman-teman. 12 September. Tapi ya di situ teman-teman bisa mencoba nih cara teknik mindfulness kan banyak teman-temannya. Tapi tentu saja guys, teman-teman bisa melakukannya kapanpun ya. A very simple technique that you could try right now. Ini ada salah satu simple nih guys ya. It's a close your eyes, tutup mata guys, close your eyes, okay, and then sleep. Bukan close your eyes for a couple minutes, beberapa saat aja teman-teman, and count how many sounds you can hear. Habis itu hitung guys teman-teman, teman-teman memejamkan mata itu guys, oke. Teman-teman coba dengarkan berapa banyak suara yang teman-teman bisa dihitung nih guys, dengarkan, oke. And this will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Itu akan membantu kalian fokus nih guys, fokus tentang apa yang sedang terjadi sekarang. It's simple like meditation. You know that one guys? Ya, meditation. Teman-teman. Ya, kita itu ya meditation, diam, siap, pejamkan mata, fokus, dengerin, ngitungin suara-suara yang terdengar gitu guys. We need to focus, training, teman-teman. Itu teknik sering dipakai. Itu yang sering banget teman-temannya. Maybe you know it. Maybe some of you have ever tried. Teman-teman kayak pernah nih. Coba meditation. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food. Tadi kedua nih, focus on piece of food, typically raisin. Teman-teman fokus ke makanan nih guys ya. Khususnya kayak misis, you know guys, makanan jenis misis gitu. Instead of eating it without thinking, slow down. Daripada kita makan tanpa mikir, makan mulu gitu guys ya. Oke, sambil main HP gak sadar kita. Oke, slow down guys. Look carefully at it and not just how it feels in your finger. Ya, pelan-pelan guys. Oke. Diperhatikan guys, di jari kita itu kayak gimana. Smell it, then put it on your tongue and taste it. Habis itu dimakan pelan-pelan gitu, dirasakan. Oh, rasanya gini ya, kayak gitu. Only then start to eat slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Lebih seperti itu daripada kita makan terus ya guys ya, sambil main HP. Ya udah, dinikmatin makannya itu guys. Both of these techniques force you to slow down. Dua teknik ini guys memaksa kita untuk slow down guys, slow down, tenang, and focus on the present moment. Fokus di momen itu saja teman-teman, tidak yang lainnya. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find online if you want to try mindfulness for yourself. Banyak ya metode cara mindfulness online sekarang, banyak banget teman-teman di TikTok, di YouTube. Wah, banyak, tinggal pilih aja tekniknya. So, you can just use it everyone. Mindfulness is very important everyone. Okay, it's really good everyone. Okay, so hold on, apa nih guys? Sedikit info. Karena begitu. Oh ya sis, oh sure. Wow. So really great. So mindfulness is very important. Okay, biar kita nggak stres ya guys ya. So you can just use it. You can find the other technique. It's outside guys. So use it. Mindfulness. Well, anyone has ever tried to practice mindfulness maybe before? Siapa yang pernah menjalankan mindfulness seperti ini, guys? Siapa nih? Anyone? Miss
Seperti
Manzo?
Fik ya,
Yeah,
yoga.
yeah. Yoga is one of them. Okay. Yeah, yoga is one of them, teman-teman. Ada lagi, guys?
Oh.
Miss Aima? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yes? What are you
Yeah.
doing? What's that? Meditation?
Walk around.
Walk around. That's a good one. Yeah. It's one of technique. It's a good. What, eating?
Gardening.
Oh, gardening. Oh, I see. It's a good, guys. Ya, apapun bisa membuat kita tenang ya guys ya. So, focus on this moment is a good everyone. It's mindfulness. Kalian eating guys. Makan. Okay. Wow, that's a good. This is mindfulness everyone. So you can just try it. Teknik itu banyak banget teman-temannya. Intinya mindfulness itu adalah focus in this present without judging. Whatever happening right now, we don't judge. We just accept it. Okay, guys, yeah. We don't think a lot about the past. We don't think a lot about the future. We just live in the present and give the best in the present. Focus in this time, teman-teman. Okay? Well, this is mindfulness, guys, so you can just try it, everyone. Well, guys, anyone has a question about this? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys, tentang mindfulness nih? Ini ya, Tias? Nope. Okay, it's a good everyone. So this is mindfulness, guys. It's really nice topic. Makanya orang itu banyak banget mencoba mindfulness ya, teman-teman. Okay, so well, guys, it's time for you to practice on a breakout room. You can just discuss about stress, guys. Look at that.
Stress.
Ya, stress, teman-teman ya. Karena kan ini kan stress nih, guys ya. Maybe it's like a sharing how to reduce our stress. Everyone has their own way to reduce the stress, ya guys ya. By singing, by gardening, his Aima, by maybe eating food. Oh, is that right? Okay, and the other thing that you can do. How stressed are you? Seberapa stres kalian, teman-teman? How do you relieve stress? Gimana cara mengurangi stres? What are some other ways people relieve stress? Atau teman-teman, apa nih cara lain orang-orang untuk menghilangkan stres itu kayak mana? Do you think people are more stressed now than in the past? Menurut teman-teman guys, apakah orang-orang sekarang itu lebih stres daripada orang-orang zaman dulu? Why? Why not? What is the most stressful thing you can imagine? Teman-teman, stressful thing teman-teman bayangkan itu apa sih guys? Okay. What could someone do to live a stress-free life? Okay, and the other question that you can use it, everyone. Okay, guys, just talking about stress. How many people are here? Pas ya guys ya, dua nanti. Kalian bisa ikut kan? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, guys. Good luck. See you there.
Sorry, bro. The next level.
What happened? Tomorrow.
No,
Don't be
no,
worried.
the next level.
Hey, no, it's easy, guys. So don't worry. We just have like a normal way. So we have more challenging. So the important one is practice more. That's it, Studia. The more you practice, the more you will be able to speaking as well. Nice, guys. Okay. Well, guys, we'll come back to the main room. Thank you so much, everyone, for practicing today. Guys, you had a great conversation in breakout room, talking about stress. Yeah, talking about anything, especially stress, your experience. Oh, wow, that was pretty nice, everyone. Well, today we don't have 1 minute challenge, guys, today. Okay, but I just give you the feedback for today. And guys, look at that. Yang pertama, teman-teman, how do you say gelisah in English? Gelisah.
Worry.
Gegana,
Worry.
gelisah, galau, merana. Wow.
Aduh, aduh.
Apa nih, guys? Gegana itu kan, guys. Gelisah, galau, merana.
Gegana.
Gelisah.
Iya, iya.
Pakai
Gelisah apa
komplit
gelisah,
ya,
guys?
bro.
Worries.
Gelisah apa nih?
Worries.
Worry. Worry itu lebih ke khawatir,
Khawatir
teman-teman.
ya.
Kalau
Kalau
suruh itu apa?
Betul, guys, teman-teman, you know,
Gelisah.
gelisah is anxiety.
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 Oh,
Itu lebih ke
anxiety.
anxiety itu gelisah. Atau pakai ansi aja, dari kata ansi ini teman-teman udah cukup. Ansi itu gelisah. Gelisah, anxiety boleh. Ansi is enough, gelisah.
Anxiety.
Iya.
Kalau
Apa? Apa, teman-teman? Galau. Hey, what is galau, guys?
Galau.
What is galau in English? Bad mood. Okay. So actually it depends, teman-teman. Galau, teman-teman boleh bilang kayak, kalau anxious itu lebih ke galau sebenarnya, guys. Anxious, you know, anxious, galau. Kalau konteksnya galau tergantung ya, teman-teman. So actually anxious itu bilang galau, nih, guys. Anxious, okay. Anxious. Yeah, that's a good one.
Anxious.
Is E-O ini ya, segini. Anxious, kayak gitu. Anxious, yep. This is galau. Boleh pakai ini. Okay, anxious. It's okay. Okay. Or maybe, so actually galau itu boleh bilang unsure juga boleh. Confused itu lebih ke pusing ya sebenarnya. Anxious, maybe galau. Galau. Alright, everyone. And the next case, you wanna say, how is it that one? Biaya sekolah itu apa, guys?
SPP.
SPP. Ya, SPP apa, guys? In English maksudnya.
School cost.
School cost, you can say tuition. Yeah, tuition. Ya, tuition. Boleh tuition aja atau tuition fee juga boleh. Itu adalah SPP, teman-teman. Ya, tuition fee. Biaya sekolah ya. Biaya kuliah, apapun ya intinya. So you can say tuition fee. Pokoknya biaya pendidikan. Okay. So that's it, everyone. And the next, everyone, I would highlight once here tentang kosakata nih. The first, teman-teman tadi mau bilang gini, saya menjalankannya dengan sabar. Atau ini, saya menjalankannya dengan sabar. Dengan sabar, dengan ikhlas, dengan sabar gitu, guys. Gimana, guys, bilangnya?
I do it
sabar, patiently. Iya, patiently. Nah, kita nggak boleh bilang gini, guys. I do it patient, teman-teman. Oke. So, harus ada ly-nya. Jadi dengan gitu, guys ya. Iya. Patiently. Iya. You gotta say, everyone. I do it patiently. Look at this, everyone. Patiently, I do it patiently. Saya mengerjakannya dengan sabar. Patiently, ada ly di belakangnya, guys. Itu adalah adverb. Di sini adverb of manner. Adverb of manner itu keterangan cara, teman-teman. Dari mana asalnya? Dari adjektif. Ini, guys, adjektif. Adjektif bisa diubah ke adverb of manner, keterangan cara, teman-teman ya. Adverb of manner dengan tambah ly di belakangnya. Kayak teman-teman bilang nih, you wanna say patient. Patient,
Patient.
teman-teman, ya.
Patient.
Patient itu adjektif kata sifat, teman-teman. Tapi kalau udah menjadi patiently,
Patiently.
ada ly-nya itu adverb. Patient itu sabar, patiently dengan sabar. Honest itu jujur, honestly
Dengan
dengan
jujur.
jujur. Nah, penggunaan patiently itu guys atau adverb itu untuk menjelaskan verb. Jadi guys, kalau adjektif fungsinya apa? Fungsinya menjelaskan, ini describing the noun, guys ya. Menjelaskan noun, kata benda. Gitu guys. Kalau adverb, nih guys, adverb kata keterangannya itu fungsinya menjelaskan verb kata kerja. Maksudnya gimana? Teman-teman nih, coba nih, look at this one. You wanna say buku baru.
New book.
Buku baru, guys.
Book.
Oke.
Noun.
New book. Ya, ini guys. New. Kenapa Bro Solehan? Oh, guys, kaget berpikir. Oke, new book, guys. New book. New di sini adalah adjektif ya kan teman-teman? Ya kan? New book, buku baru. New adjektif ini jelasin si buku. Buku yang seperti apa? Buku yang baru. Itu guys. You got it? Tapi kalau verb, kata kerja guys, atau adverb itu jelasin verb. Maksudnya gimana? Saya berlari dengan cepat. Gimana guys?
I run
quickly.
quickly.
Iya. Nah, look at this one. Ada ly-nya kan teman-teman? Nah, ini guys, quickly ini adalah adverb of manner. Dia jelasin run. Run itu kan lari. Verb kata kerja tuh jelasin itu. Lari, saya lari. Lari seperti apa? Lari dengan cepat. Gitu. Kalau tadi buku seperti apa? Buku baru. Jadi kita nggak boleh bilang kayak gini nih guys. Oke, you wanna say I do it patient. Nggak boleh. I do it patiently. Karena patient itu jelasin do gitu guys ya. Saya ngomong dengan lancar. Saya ingin ngomong bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. Gimana guys? I want to speak.
English fluently.
You speak, ya.
English fluently.
I want to speak English, yes, fluently, ya guys ya. Fluently. Kenapa pakai fluently? Karena di situ jelasin speak, ngomong Inggris, ngomong seperti apa? Ngomong yang dengan
lancar.
Fluently, lancar gitu guys. Oke, gak boleh kita bilang gini. I want to speak English fluent. No, fluently gitu guys. Karena di situ ada ininya guys ya, speak
Only.
adverbnya. Fluently gitu guys. You got it everyone? Bisa ya? Oke. So
Nggak
that's
boleh.
it everyone. Gimana?
Nggak boleh pakai be patient gitu.
Oh, itu boleh. Bebas itu beda konteksnya. Be patient artinya dengan sabar, itu di depannya. Kita nggak boleh bilang gini guys, I do it be patient. Nggak boleh. Oke. So, be patient itu kayak itu kalimat suruhan gitu sis. You know. Sis Aima, just be patient. Sabar gitu guys. Be patient guys, be patient. Itu. Suruhan tuh guys ya. Oke. Itu namanya imperative sentence. Kata suruhan. Be patient, be honest gitu guys ya. Gitu. Oke, ada BB-nya. Kalau teman-teman diikuti sama adjektif ya. Be patient, be honest, be happy. Just be happy guys gitu. Oke. That's good. Okay, got it everyone?
Yes.
Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. Anyone has a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih guys?
Me bro.
Ya, Satya gimana?
Perbedaan pengucapan pasien sama apa tadi?
Apa?
Sabar. Ya.
Patient juga.
Pasien sama sabar.
Patient. Patient itu adalah sabar, teman-teman. Patient. Patient. Kalau patient just passion. Beda ya. Passion. Patient. Just be patient. Iya, teman-teman. Tuh. Kalau pasien, ya guys ya, just say passion. Is that one? This one is beda, teman-teman, beda ya. Sebenarnya teman-teman, you can say is almost pilih ya guys ya, atau bisa dibilang pengucapannya pun kedengaran sama ya guys ya. Oke, so
Yeah.
this one iya teman-teman. So ya, jadi sebenarnya kayak gini teman-teman. Patient secara pronoun juga sama teman-teman. Patient itu secara noun, kata benda, itu artinya pasien. Kalau adjektif itu berarti sabar. Jadi patient itu menjadi dua jenis. Yang pertama menjadi noun, kata benda, yang artinya pasien di rumah sakit itu guys, pasien.
Yeah.
Dan juga adjektif, kata sifat berarti sabar. Sama tuh guys, patient. Tuh, umumnya seperti itu. Got it?
Oh iya.
Semuanya?
Thank you,
Okay.
bro.
That's good. Okay. You want to say, the patient is patient. The patient is patient. Pasiennya sabar. Oh, boleh. The patient is patient.
Patient.
Ya, memang seperti itu. Okay. So,
Patient.
that's one. Kan sama tulisannya teman-temannya. Okay. Okay. Got it, everyone? This is our topic, everyone. And guys, it's because tomorrow is our last day. Well, we are going to have final exam. What is the final exam? Look at that, the final exam, teman-teman.
Oh no.
Yeah, the final exam tomorrow. So you have this, everyone. You need to how it is. I have kalau kemarin tuh banyak ya, ini 8 aja teman-teman pilihannya.
Oh,
Just,
pilihan.
ya pilihannya ada 8
Pilihannya ya,
teman-teman. Iya, just choose it one. Bisa satu aja teman-teman. Oke. Yang pertama topiknya itu yang kalian bisa pilih adalah the impact of social media on society. Dampak sosial media dalam society. The impact of healthy eating. The importance of healthy eating. Pentingnya makan sehat. The influence of music on our emotion. Ya guys ya. Pengaruh musik terhadap emosi kita.
Perasaan kita ya.
Iya. Ya, the benefit of regular exercise. Manfaat olahraga teratur. The power of positive thinking. Wow. The role of education in shaping our lives. Okay. Nah guys, role-nya guys ya, fungsi pendidikan untuk membentuk hidup kita. The impact of climate change. Dampak dari perubahan cuaca. The beauty of cultural diversity. So, indahnya varian nih guys ya, keberagaman budaya. So, you can just choose it one of them and you need to explain it in 2 minutes the minimum, the maximum is 3 minutes. Sama seperti biasa teman-teman. We will do it one by one. Alright? Okay? Got it, everyone? Okay, this is our exam for tomorrow. So everyone must join the class tomorrow because it's the last day. So, okay, and in the end of our class tomorrow, I will tell you like, ya pelajaran teman-teman akan pelajari di kelas selanjutnya. So just join the class tomorrow, everyone. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. Ini sama kayak di modul teman-teman. You can check it. Nanti Bro Vicky juga bakal kasih pengumuman tertulis besok pagi ya.
Okay.
Well, okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. Prepare it, everyone. Give your batch tomorrow. And I think that's gonna be enough for today. This is our topic. And okay, guys, I have a riddle for you.
What?
Okay. It's like lemari apa yang bisa ditaruh di saku?
Lemari.
Could you imagine? Lemari apa guys? Bisa taruh di saku?
Lemari bu.
Lemari bu. That's right. Yeah guys. Benar guys. It's lemari bu. How did you know that?
5.000.
Wow, good job.
5.000. You good job. Nice. Iya guys ya. Lemari.
Kalau ada Bro Endah yang susah bro katanya. Kalau ada Bro Endah.
Ada berenda ini.
Iya, lemari apa yang bisa taruh di saku? Lemari.
5.000.
Iya, that's great. Wow, thank you so much, guys. This is our topic, guys. The last I say speaking partner.
We are
Best partner.
What's password?
Mom.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Good
Thank you so
night.
much, friends.
Good night.